Learn to sketch using the timeless beauty of ink on paper. Aaron Limonick is a concept artist and art director who creates bold, expressive black and white ink sketches. In his brand new Learn Squared course, he'll show you how to bring these classic techniques into your own sketchbook. You'll learn to use dry media like pens and markers, as well as wet media like watercolor ink brushes. Most importantly, you'll learn to thrive without an undo button, giving you the confidence to fill pages and pages with diverse, compelling imagery. From small thumbnails to perspective studies to full collage-style pages. But that's not all. Aaron is hard at work creating an entire series to help you zero in on specific subjects in this medium. Ink sketching landscapes will teach you to capture the majestic beauty of the natural world in epic shots that burst from the page. Then, in his architecture course, you'll explore hard surface subjects, analyzing buildings, cityscapes, and interiors to harness all their complexity in a few simple strokes of the pen. Finally, with advanced techniques, you'll blend everything you've learned throughout the series into cohesive and powerful compositions. Each course includes full materials guides in which Aaron shows you exactly what pens, paper, and ink he recommends. Even if you've never sketched in ink before, with this series, you'll have everything you need to go from the most basic techniques all the way to crafting complex masterpieces. Sign up today and begin your journey at LearnSquared.com.